On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. Boom, boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Thursday, and everybody is suffering with the ability to control their FOMO. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a beautiful, beautiful morning like I am. I'm ready to go, man. What an eventful day yesterday. Holy smokes. Getting absolutely crushed on the live trading. Taking 4 trades on the live. Taking a $300 loss, a $200 loss, another $300 loss, and a $700 win. And that is called risk management, baby. I got a little bit excited this morning. And then we managed to scalp and crush the rest of the charts, ending the day with $2,700. What a beautiful morning it is to be alive. 180 losses, says Ramesh V. Thank you for being here, my brother. Good to see you, man. I always need a lurker, and all the amazing, beautiful gang. Gang, man, this is too much fun. Oh, man. Bitcoin, baby. We got Giuseppe today, okay? It's the Italian, Giuseppe is it's the Italian that has poor growth rate. It's called the Giuseppe. Okay, we got Giuseppe here. Giuseppe growth rate, quarter over corner. Okay, we got the final Q4, Giuseppe. Okay, we'll see how the Giuseppe does today. At 8:30, we are dumping into the Giuseppe, so we'll see what happens. Make sure you go and follow Army Piper. He'll talk about the Giuseppe. Okay? Army, what are we looking for here? We want this to come above forecast, right? Bullish would be 2.4. Let's hope for 2.4. That's my guess. I'm not your fundamental analysis, guys, okay? What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Rashad Froth. Crypto King, what's going on? Ibrahim, Skyrizonis. What's going on, James? Good to see you. Infinite Team TA. It's in the game. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Quick Smoker, my man. Hope you're doing well. Ooh-wee. We coming down into a buy level. Wait, let's turn on the magical square boxes. Oh, am I not on my beautiful BTC chart here? There we go. Ooh, let's go 3-minute time frame. Let's zoom out. We forgot to zoom out properly yesterday, and we got rugged. Okay, so let's be cautious here. We are getting a little bit of a bottoming in a platinum pocket here, but not something I'm looking to jump into. We're gonna practice what we preach and be a bit more patient today. Okay, yesterday. We'll go over yesterday. We'll go over what we're looking for today. Obviously, we've come up to our 786 right now. We've gotten a rejection. Okay, we gave this idea in the Discord. We gave this idea to get long here. I took this one, got out here, asked Army Piper. We were teaching, and I made $1,000 on top of teaching. Okay, I can show you the trade setup in our Discord, but this is what we teach you how to do. Okay, this is what we teach you how to do. Because, we're the gang, man. We're the gang. We've been crushing it. Incredible. And I've requested that people in our Discord start posting, if they're going to post their beautiful P&L cards, okay? I requested that you give me a little bit of an explanation, okay? You can see here. There's my $1,000 I took. I took the trade down here with Army Piper in the chat. We were teaching, and then I added to it. I said I added to it, and then I was looking to come up to the tops here. Made a quick $1,000, okay? That's how the magic goes. We had a key level, a chicken's drinking water, an engulfing candle, an Asia pump. That's been happening. What did Asia do last night? Okay? And target hit, risked, managed, okay? These are the things that we like to encourage in the crypto world. And teach you how to get to. What's going on? Be motivated. Uncle Jesse, Patrick Side, my man. Django. What's going on, man? Uncle Jesse, my man. Good to see you, bro. John Foster. The man, the myth, the legend, Vladimir. We'll go Jurikic. What's going on? AlexOCrypto, my man, John Foster, Uncle Jesse in here. Goldie Crypto, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Walsh Jesse, Defiant, my man, gang. Zeno with the pink hand, good morning to you. Good to see you. Paul Caruso calling me by my pronouns, King Beaver and Lord Otter. My man, let's make some profitable trades today. Let's go, baby. D Oz, it's in the game. Froth, Alexandra G, gang, good to see you as well. God bless. Hopefully you're having a safe drive into work. The Dusty Hunt, mucking. What's going on? Except in the days when the strategy doesn't work. Yeah, that's why we use risk management, right? That's it. Walsh Jesse, Crypto, same. Holla, gangstas. We all in a gang. I don't know about this. I think we're a nice gang. We're built on kindness, but the douche canoes, we know how to deal with them. Okay? Zerathis, the Dusty Hunt, good morning to you. Rashad, Spaced. With my first 500, not using good risk management and moving my stop loss. Well, that's part of the journey, man. Part of the journey. Got to risk 1%, $5 per trade, man. Okay? Frank Fit for Life, good morning to you. Frost, Daryl, Upton, good morning. Ufton, Army Piper, my most loyal friend. Good to be here, man. Thank you for being here, hanging out. JRMO, Django. Is this track on Spotify? I apologize, it isn't. It's exclusive, like me and my wife. Is that it? Is that right? I don't think. When you're first dating and you become exclusive, is that a thing now? Where you're like, okay, I won't make sweet love to anyone else. I promise. Is that a thing still? Are you guys exclusively loyal to this channel in the morning? I think you guys are. We are exclusive. 3 drives down here, platinum pocket. Still no change in big rollover, man. This is ugly. We lose this low, we going down. Okay? Oof, we're exclusive in here. Al Jr., good morning. Tony Soprano, Basic Crypto Chick, good morning. Shem Trees, good morning to you. I still don't know how to say your cheese. She me Trees. She me. Is it Tress? She me Tress. Shemitris. Am I saying it right now? Shemitris. Put a one in the chat, Shamitris, if I'm saying it right. Thank you for being here, Shamitris. Shamitris. Thank you for correcting me. I appreciate you. Avi Yoshi, good morning. Max, good morning. Anto, V Monitor, my man. Thank you for the nice comments lately, man. You're a great man. Good to see you. Ramesh, 180. Los. Bullish Bradley, my man. Good morning. Good to see you. It's been a while, man. I mean, you're always in the Discord. God bless you. Sky Blue, Lenny Kid, Jose, Uncle Jesse, Clay the Great. Demetrius. Yes. Yes, we nailed it, baby. Let's go. Demetrius. We're on fire today, baby. I'm in a good mood. You guys are awesome. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Miles, Trump Power, Splash Landon, V Monitor, Aki, PSV. Joan, good morning to you. Joan's posting so many charts in our Discord. I had to tell Joan to calm down a little bit, okay? I love... This is how awesome. We have to ask people to stop over participating. It's so good. Joan's like been crushing the charts, and thank you so much, Joan, for being here and like supporting the channel. But it's like, whoa, it's a Joan show. I love it. Which is great. Oh my God, did you change your background? We love you. You can post as many charts as you want now. Post as post as many as you want. If they're Oh man, good to see you, everybody. Thank you for being here. A little 3 drives bounce out of here. We're getting a bull div, trying to push back up here. I'm gonna have I'm not taking a trade. We can look for a trade here, but what do we have here? We have rolling over a bit here. Order block up in here. Oh man, too funny. Too funny. Okay. Good to be here. Just kind of get set up here. We are in a downtrend here. Just looking for this to continue. We'll see. Even if we break up here. 886 bounce level, I'm pretty sure. So we'll see how it behaves this morning. We do have our Jidepi coming out this morning. Look at Ton, Alex. That ton. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Blair Stevenson, Miles, Trump Power, Splash, Maba. Good morning to you. Steve, good morning. That's a loud Steve. Steve is loud. Yesterday was tough. I made back 187, but still 650-ish to go positive on account. But yesterday hurt. That's how it goes, man. That's how it goes. I mean, I was able to scalp myself back into profits. I mean, I started this week with this account at, I think, 14,000, and we are all the way at 18 now, basically. So it's been a fun week so far. We've been, I hit a couple of full position size trades, right? I hit a couple $1,000 trades, so pretty happy about that. That's how it goes, though. We want 3.1 or higher to go bullish. Okay. Thank you, Army. Bina, good morning to you. Tony Soprano, Dave Digital, Dusty Hunt. Which otter species are you? I'm from Otter Space. Lord Beaver. King Otter, King Beaver, Lord Otter. That's the one. Good morning, Nick. Steve Hickey. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 265 on the live. You guys are incredible. Ando, Poncho, R Pink. What time does Asia open? So you can always... Asia's in the evening. You can use any sort of... I mean, it's the only thing I'll ever use from LuxAlgo. I think it's called... We're going to make a copycat of LuxAlgo called FUX Algo. I won't... You can see Tokyo here. Tokyo Eastern Standard Time starts about 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here. And then it goes all the way over. So you can see, look how bullish it was, right? Asia did this. I mean, you have Sydney in here. I guess you could consider that part of it. But Asia did this, right? So we won't promote Algo here. Use Market Cipher or Chart Prime, okay? Don't need to be part of the monopoly. You know, we're crypto people. We don't like monopolies here. Manik, good morning. Bullish or bearish today? I'm like parish. I'm like in between. I'm not either or right now. We are in an uptrend and a downtrend all at the same time. So I just want to be treating this like a range, okay? That's basically where I'm at. Is I'm not this bull pennant guy. I gave the ideas this morning, but I'm not the bull pennant guy. We are range bound. If we lose the low here, we are coming down. We are in a bit of a downtrend. We'll go over top down pretty shortly. Obviously, we have Jadepi coming our way. I just like to say good morning to everybody. Make sure they're all welcomed in the stream because that's how we roll here at AlexOCrypto. Okay? We are exclusive. Exclusive in the evening for me. Let's go, baby. Platinum Pocket is a money maker. Let's go. Absolutely. Good morning, gangs. Okay. Did I forget how to say your name again? Shematrice. Shematrice. Did I mess up again? My God. I'm like squirrel brain. I'm squirrel braining. I had it down pat. I should have said it more times in a row. Shematrice. Me tress. Demetris. Demetris. I'm sorry. You guys are all laughing at me. I'm trying to learn someone's name, man. Demetris. I'm trying, man. Demetris. I gotta put it on like a sticky note or something. Demetris. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you for always being here, Shemitris. God bless you. Mama Bull's in the house. Dave Digital. What's going on? Rashad in here. Kicking Wig. Good morning to you. Okay, so push it up here. What are we going to... Shemitris. I'm going to keep saying it today, man. Shemitris. You're just going to see if... It's going to be my Like when I go I'm going to say Shemitris, okay? Just to get it right. Got to have respect for the community. So coming up in here, we'll see if we do get a little bit of a bounce. Demetris, and see if we do push up. Nah, I don't think we're coming up. Retesting previous lows, continuation down, right? So if we're looking somewhere, it's kind of higher. Okay, Demetris, we're going to look up here. If we are going to push up and then roll over. We do have a volume level here. And look at the volume level that we got long on yesterday. My God, I tell the Discord to always add the volume levels that I have. I mean, you would have had... Let's review. Okay, we're pushing up here. GDP's coming out. We were absolutely wrong yesterday. Okay, so that's the thing is you come on here. We want to make money. Okay, we were absolutely wrong. We have liquidity down here. We had liquidity down here. Okay, and we were absolutely wrong. What we should have done is taken one trade yesterday. Okay, we had the retest. We had this drawn out. We should have taken the short right here. Okay, and we didn't do it. Okay, we longed here. We got stopped out. Okay, long stopped out. Oh no, long stopped out. VWAP. Where's VWAP? Yeah, long stopped out. $700 win and stopped out here. Okay, so, but 700 a piece. 3 losses equaled 700 because this one was really cheap. But 3 losses, 1 win. And guess what? 3-1. Break even for the morning, right? And I can't stress how important it is to have risk management because as we came down here, right, we came to our key level in here. I was able to take this long. I was able to take this long. I was able to take this long. Then add to the long, okay? So not only did I make bank yesterday, but I overtraded. I could have taken one short, right? So I do have the ability to make the money back, but it's not fun. It was a stressful day yesterday trading. However, managing risk is going to allow you to do that. Because if I didn't manage risk on this, look, I got long. I mean, come on, guys. Like, look at this. I got long here. I got stopped out. I got long here. I got stopped out. If I didn't have a stop loss. I mean, no one can afford this. Okay? No one. No one. No one can afford this unless you're using unless you're buying a spot and you're looking to sell in 2027. I'm kidding. I don't think we're going down from here. I just spooked everybody. I did an Army Piper. Breakout retest continuation here. No mitigation of the high, no trade. Okay. Still waiting here. Demetris. I'm nailing it today, man. No ifs, ands, or buts. Let's go, Jay Violet, Mama Bull, all these amazing people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, family. Best mood and focus on success for everyone. Let's go, Lucky Deal. Good to see you, brother. Much love to you. Tony Soprano, John Don. What's going on? I didn't even mean to do that. Joel Vasquez, good morning to you. Tradefly, my brother. Good to see you, man. How you doing? You working too hard. Man. I don't have a Tradefly emoji. You're gonna have to send me a Tradefly emoji. That's the thing. If you send me the emoji, I got Army Piper. We can spam Army Piper emojis. You're part of the gang, so we can spam gang emojis. Come on, we even have chickens and no-nos. I gotta do a no-no video. I haven't asked no-no about the market lately. Sucks algo. Wagwan. Wagwan, AD. Good to see you, mate. I just went from Jamaican to British right there. Okay? Outer space. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Tradefly in the chat. Ando Poncho. Good morning, everybody. Wolf and Bear. Angelo. Good morning. Good to see you. El Paco. Heck Traders. Good to see you. Game Face Brothers. My man. Good morning. Wayne C. Progress Forward. CJ Nis. Rob S. 314 Otter. Today is the day. We'll see how the Giuseppe. I offended the squirrels. Good. Good morning, Sir Alexo. How are you, Sir Alexo? Nicholas, good to see you, man. God bless. I'm doing okay. We'll call it okay. My wife is, so I was sick, as you know, and then my son got sick, and now my wife is like, it's like overlapping, okay? So it's like this. I got sick. My son got sick. Now my wife is sick, so we're about right here. The wife is peaking in the sickness. The son is recovering, and I'm just about over it. So we are right in that. Oh my God! So my wife is struggling a little bit, especially with the 7-month-old son. So I was up last night trying to help her, and that's what you do. But it's hard for her. I mean, she's a new mother, and she's working super hard, and I mean, she wants to give the boy the best attention and love she can, and she feels deathly ill. So it's like, oh man, I can't imagine how she feels. So trying to support her the best I can. You know me, I get the man flu. I cry. I still show up for the Snotter gang, but one of those. Definitely one of those. Breakout retest right now. I don't like it. Not into news. We can put it on for a pretend trade here. So we got a pretend trade. Demetris. Pretend trades are always important, okay? This helps you with the FOMO. We'll talk about FOMO today. Because a lot of people have trouble with the FOMO. And we were talking about it. Laugh my ass off. Let's go. Alex, do you mind going into a little detail about confirmation looks like? I feel like when I think I see it, it'll bounce, and then we go the same way. I'm not sure how many bounces to look for. Yeah, of course. So we'll go over confirmation today. Yeah, absolutely. We do have 6 minutes till the news. Okay. Can you show volume level? The magical volume levels. They're right here on the screen. Right here, 87, 56, 88. All right. You see the horizontals? They're support and resistance levels, but they're matched with volume. I marked them out myself. They work pretty dang good, I would say. But that's up to you. Who would have thought support and resistance? So confirmation. What is going to give you confirmation? There's a bunch of things that are going to give you confirmation. It can be a candle pattern. It can be market structure. It can be, I would say, if I was going to go off anything, it's market structure, right? It's going to give you confirmation of the trade. Unless you have a playbook that suggests that that is a move. Now, yesterday, you could see I got long in here. Where's the confirmation in here? Well, for me, it was very simple. It was very simple. You get a drive down, okay? You get a drive down. You're not buying this at all. You're buying it right here, okay? You're buying this candle on its retracement. So you push down, you hit a key level, you bounce, you engulf, you buy this candle here, somewhere here, it pushes up. I added to the trade here, my target is the lows. Okay, that's very simple. And look at that, momentum all the way back up, V-shaped recovery. Okay. Sorry, that was rude. Continuing to push here. So yesterday, we're dumping. Okay, we put in our first low, we put in our second low. I was able to get long off this one. So our confirmation is that we're holding this. So I look for the retesting continuation up into the order block, which is right in here. Right, so there's the bottom of our order block right there. So just a quick scalp up into the order block there. Easy peasy. A good $600 trade for me. Then the next one, it came back down. It did it again. Okay, and took that one into the order block, right? And then, yeah, so you're going to have that confirmation depending on, this is support being held, okay? Higher, low, higher, low. This one was a golden pocket, 786, okay? So it's just that 786 you're looking for to be slapped and continued. Bang, continue. Looking for bottoming structure. Okay, also market structure. It's going to give you the idea, right? So breakout, retest, continuation. The main reason why we didn't take this trade right here is because we did not mitigate the high here, okay? The high here is still intact. We haven't swept it. We haven't done anything to it. So therefore, I can't assume that this thing is going to push a higher low and out. I can say that, hey, maybe we put in a higher low, but because we haven't changed structure here, there's no confirmation on that. Now, there's a way to do this with Chart Prime where you put on market structure in here and it'll tell you exactly what's going on with market structure so you guys can visually see, because I know you guys all like a good visual. We can take off the volume profile here. So you can see where market structure changes, right? When you have a change in character, you can see that's down, right? And then we're going up and down, changing character. You can get long here, right? Changing character, you can get short here. Changing character, you can get long here. Same deals, okay, all the way through. So market structure is going to tell you where you can look for continuation in the opposite direction, okay? You can see we did not change color here. If we had pushed up higher here and then retested, candle close above here, this would change color to green. Okay, so market structure, always market structure. Now, if you were part of our Discord, there's safer ways to get into trades. Okay, so last night I told everybody that we are looking for this. So we had the post. I'll show you guys the post, but we had the golden pocket. We had the local point of control. We had an order block in here. So we were looking for the long right here. We were looking for this. Boop. And guess what? Some people in our Discord took it, right? It was all there. We give you confluence. And guess what? Into Asia, continuation. You might not catch this move, but you can definitely catch this move, okay? And that trade was given in advance in our Discord, as per usual. Alex TA here. And we go all the way to last night. And you get an update, right? So we are pushing up into our golden pocket 786 rejection, which we also gave you, okay? Then we push down into our double bottom push out, and up we go back up to that area. We have our order block, we have our point of control, and we have our golden pocket 0.5 area. Yeah, we were looking for the bounce. Big buy zone. Okay, you could buy here, put stop loss down here, and off you go. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Love being right. Love being right. Okay. So setting the trap, understanding market structure, where we're looking to go, and that was a beautiful, nice little move in the evening. Look at that, 1.5%. Okay. News in 8 seconds. Let's go, baby. That was a good explanation. Look at the timing. Look at the timing. When you're in a good mood, the timing is everything. The timing is everything. Giuseppe coming out now. Refresh. Tell me what I need to know. 3, 2, 1. Give me a 2.5. 2.5. 2.4. It's in the game. We got a 2.4. It's above consensus and forecast, which could be bullish. 2.4. 2.4. It is coming down from previous days, but it is 2.4 to say the least. So 2.4 Giuseppe. Okay. So there you have it. We have a nothing burger on the charts, but it should impact market open. Okay, we'll see how it goes here. The gross domestic product, GDP in the United States, expanded 2.4% in the fourth quarter. Look at this, coming down a bit, but over the previous quarter, GDP growth rate in the United States averaged 3.2% from 1947 to 2024, reaching all-time high of 35.2% in the third quarter of 2020. Okay, and a record low of minus 28% in the second quarter of 2020. Okay, so coming in above expectations, a little bit of a nothing burger, okay? I'm sure Piper will fill you guys in with all the information on that. But we need to be, we always want to not be taking the trade into such events, okay? Because it can end up hurting us, and we don't want to be hurt. We're here to make money, hang out, have fun, smack likes, hang out with you guys. We got 400 people in here, 100 likes. I think we can do a little bit better. Alex, y'all have black ladies in Canada. Demetrius. Doesn't seem hard to me. Absolutely we do, Dave. Toronto and New York are two of the most multicultural cities, and I grew up downtown Toronto, okay? Anyways. But we do. Demetrius. I'm on it, man. I'm on it. I just wanted to say it correctly. Hold the line, says Dusty. Shark Ving, good morning. Uncle Jesse. Good morning. Kraken Schwester, revenge traded my losses from yesterday. Hope you're doing good. Game Face, brother. Good morning. ED Camp. They got blue pills for that, bro. I couldn't help myself. Army Pie Bear. Let's go. It's Army Pie Bear. Oh, man. At least he... Do you trailing stop loss? I will trail stop loss from market structure. So if I got short here, I'd move my stop to here. I'm always I wouldn't put it here. Not until I have another confirmed low, then I'll put it here. Army Piper. I really enjoyed that, bro. Shout out to Army Piper. Imagine Alex being Sikh. Sure. Whatever you're into, man. LBC in the chat. Let's go, baby. Alpha Petrol Heads. No trade yet. Can you explain why BTC bounced where? Here? Too good, bro? Why it bounced here? Or why it bounced here? You guys, you let me know. One or two. Good morning, everybody. Crypto Rob, James, Amo, Netty, Buck. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, bro. Paul Caruso. Otter Home is down with the sickness. Oh, wow. Looking like another shitty weather weekend in the Ottawa Valley. You guys got minus 17 like 2 days ago, didn't you? Oh, man. I'm sorry, Andrew. We're like minus 6 right now, minus 5. But I heard you guys got like... We had snow yesterday. We had a little sprinkling. Alexandru. I feel you. I have a 10-month-old boy. Yeah. Let's go, man. God bless you, bro. Congratulations on your son. Byron, good morning. Get well soon. Thank you. Andrew Cameron, Peanut. Young lad is homesick. Yeah. It's going around, man. Finally learning to stop FOMOing. That's good. Hope family gets better, though. Thank you, Nicholas. Byron, brutal. 20x long on ADA? Sell? No, we're waiting here. A little sweep of the hot is rollover. No trade yet. Wick's wife, good morning. Good morning, wifey. In the chat, let's see some wifeys in the chat. God bless you. Thank you for being here, wifey, all the time. I appreciate you. DDT, I'm late. Just had to do a quick update for my kitchen fam. Or I thought you said kitchen fan. You're updating your kitchen. You're doing DIYs again. I want to see your work, Darren. I want to see your work. I want to critique it. I only trade trend lines. Took my trading to the highest levels ever. Let's go. John Appleseed. Johnny Appleseed, baby. Let's go. Incredible name. Joyful Journey. Good morning. Good to see you. Max? Can you show us how to do the chart with the volume level? Yeah, I have a video on it. How to build out a chart, build Confluence. Okay. I think it's called the free best free indicator or something like that. Cough button. Yeah, that's me. You can put the fart emoji. Every time I cough, just put fart, ! Fart. It's much more effective. Much more effective. Lunar Beaches. Good to see you. CJ Nis, J Violet. I see you, Jay Valley. You giving away memberships again. My dog struggles with squirrel brain. It's like me, man. French toaster, Shamitris. Crypto Creek. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Wick's wife. Dusty Hunt. Herman's Moose. Good morning. Good to see you. The Wall. Gold pumping. Crypto dumping. Thanks for the explanation. No problem, Space. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Tamale. Good morning. All right, are we caught up with the chat yet? Dowlet? How to become a premium member? You join the Discord, go to the membership tab, join the membership. Good morning, Airdropper. What a question. J Violet, always supporting the channel. You changing your picture all the time, J Violet. It's hard to recognize you. Just gets more beautifuler every day. Beautifuler, more beautiful every day. JB, I think you've said good morning, but we're going to call you a lurker just to get you enticed. Rish Gupta, lurker. Born to plum. Born to plum. What are the three rules of every plumber? See, these are the jokes you learn when you're in the trades. What are the three rules as a plumber? Number one, shit flows downhill. Number two, paychecks on Friday or Thursday. And number three, don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. Wayne Sieg. Awesome to see you, bro. Thank you for always being here. Hopefully your wife made you a nice sandwich this morning. And Blair Stevenson, good morning. Good to see you, man. Glad you got a beautiful gifted membership. The YouTube memberships are not the same as the Discord memberships. The YouTube memberships are as cheap as YouTube will let me make them, okay? They are the cheapest ones just so you can have emojis, okay? We want you all to be a member, okay? If you want the Discord membership, come to the Discord. It's a different story. You get a lot of value there, okay? The queef one. You guys are someone never fails. Someone puts the queef in the chat, man. Did I get you all? Ew. Oh, these are the things you learn on the job site, man. If there's any arm wrestling fans in the Otter family, I posted my brother's AKA Pork Chop latest match in TO. Let's go. Freedom. Let's go. Just to get you enticed. Bitcoin popping slightly? Not really, man. It's Steve Ruglin. It's Steve Ruglin. Paydays on Fridays, shit rolls downhill, and do not bite your fingernails, sir. That's the one. That's the one. The OC guy. What's going on, handsome? Good to see you. My man. I bite my nails. You guys are incredible. Welcome to the gang. OC guy in the chat. Let's go, baby. Otter gang. My man. Greetings from Angola. That's amazing, Steve. Thank you for being here, bro. Thank you for being here. Let's do some top down right now. We've done a lot of chatting. So what we're gonna look for here is a bunch of things. We have a bunch of options this morning, okay? What we really want to see is this flag breakout. Let's be honest. There's all the volume levels that you do not have anymore. So what we're looking for here this morning. So really, we have a predicament here. If we're going to draw this out, this is where we're at. Really. This is where we're at. Like, seriously, we are in this beautiful uptrend. Okay, we're looking for continuation out. We are in a little bit of a flag. We are looking to push up to the liquidity at 92,000. Will we get there? This looks a little bit rolly overy. Okay, I just said overy. Can we come back down in here and then go? Or can we flag and break out like a weirdo? Okay, it's totally up to Bitcoin and what it wants to do. I would think there is going to be a sweep eventually. Okay, lots of liquidity in these lows. Do we get, I don't know, a fake out and then a dump? Okay, this is still all on the table in here. So let's be cautious. Okay, let's not be overly bullish. I just want to make sure you guys understand that. Now, when we look at certain things, the daily, we're looking for the money flow to come up, which it is. It has made a higher low, which is a good sign. However, the VWAP is challenging the zero line. Could it roll over? Momentum getting a little bit high here. The 2-day, trying to push out. The weekly, same thing, trying to push out. Okay, bunch of good things going on here, but when we look at the weekly candle, it's kind of fading. Okay, it's fading. So let's not be overly bullish or overly bearish. When we get into our trading day, I like to look at the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1, which is going to give me a couple of candles for the day, right? It's really going to set the tray up for success. So what are we looking for here? We see rolling over. Okay, and not really pushing back out, right? This is kind of fading, but we are holding the uptrend. Okay, we can see that, but what are we getting right now? We're looking for a little bit of trigger wave, possibly 1, 2, 3. I would say tomorrow we would look for that trigger wave. End of day, Asia pump maybe, but right now we are coming out. Okay, coming out. Oh, we said it. The 3-hour as well, okay, just failing to make a higher high really here, and you can see the exhaustion in all these candles, okay? So I'm not overly bullish, I'm not overly bearish, I am range-ish, okay? I am range-ish. If I was going to tell you what I am in, this is what I'm looking for, right? If this, then that, right? So can we come back down, put in a higher low here and bounce? Absolutely. Can we push to the top of the range, get rejected, and back down to the middle of the range? That's how we trade ranges, right? Can we break out and go? Absolutely, right? So we just want to be aware of where we're at, right? We are very well aware that there's liquidity down here and then there's liquidity in here. Okay, so stuck in the middle with you. That's where we're at. So that's okay. It's not hard to trade this. You just have to be patient. You don't want to trade the hot dog, okay? I'm going to do the hot dog just to tell you guys. Whoo, that's a big hot dog. This is a OnlyFans one, okay? And we want to trade the buns. Really, we want to take it from high to low, okay? That's how we treat it. We can always learn here. There's always learning, okay? Identify where your buns are. What is good for that? Fixed range volume profile tool, right? So you can see we're at the bottom of the range right now, trying to bounce off, holding the range, trying to push back up into the point of control. We just got rejected from that. So if we do fall, where do we look to land? Let's pull it back and let's take a look over here. Well, look at that big ass spike, okay? Very simple. We would look to come back down to this area, right? Retest the tops here, grab some liquidity and go. So can we roll over? Absolutely. Can we break out and continue up? Absolutely. I would prefer this than this, okay? But we don't get what we prefer. We get what we trade and we get what happens. Who knows? Donald Trump's going to tweet something tomorrow about tariffs. Who knows, right? So let's be prepared. Let's practice good risk management, right? The only reason why I was profitable yesterday was because I took 4 losses that were small losses, baby. Okay. We don't win here all the time, but we are a winning community. We have been crushing it on the live streams, and I'm very grateful for everybody here hanging out with me right now. The 1 hour rolling over. We just had this. Are we going to be a victim again? Rolling over, right? Rolling over. What do we have over here? We have continuation. Same thing. Rolling over, rolling over, rolling over. What has it done? Okay. Can we get the bounce? Absolutely. We're prepared for the bounce, okay? But we want to see confirmed structure. We want to see something in here that's going to give us that bias to the upside, okay? Right now we are in a downtrend. We have broken structure up top here, double top. Don't be confused. Double top yesterday, same deal, okay? Same deal. So let's be level-headed. Let's try to make good decisions today. But at the end of the day, we can always use good risk management, take high probability trade setups, and make money. That's what it's all about here. We want to make money, honey. So thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 450 people in here, 142 likes. So if you are enjoying this content and you're having a good time, maybe you're having a beautiful day. Who knows? But I'm very grateful for you being here and hanging out with me. You could be on, I don't know, who else is streaming right now? You could be on their show. I don't know, but you're here. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The 24 here, a little bit of exhaustion in the bottom here. If we're looking locally, Platinum Pocket, that's here, okay? Platinum Pocket, you can see, bingo, bango. I think Trade Intuition says that. Platinum Pocket 786, trying to hold on for dear life here. But what I'm really interested in is this one in here. Okay, can we come into here first? That would mitigate this low, which is fine locally, because if we're looking for that, remember, we have to separate low time frames, high time frames, right? It's a privilege to zoom in, but if we're on a 1 hour, right, this is just maybe a 2 hour. You have to go 2 hour there. If we're on a 2 hour, because you got to have rules for your higher lows, right? This would be your next low, right? The 1 hour, this would be considered a low because we have 2 red candles in a row. Okay, that gives you a strong low in here. So if we're on our 2 hour, though, this would give us a low. There's no low in here, okay? There's a high in here, so we would look for this to go like this. Understand market structure, understand time frames. It's going to be very helpful to your trading journey, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Let's jump into it. You guys are amazing. This is amazing. We got GDP this morning, GDP, and it didn't do a heck of a lot. But we'll see how it opens up this morning with our NASDAQ, okay, and our SPY, which have been actually dumping, and that's, I think, due to tariffs, right? Tariffs are coming. They did the auto tariffs yesterday, right? So there's that puckering, that fear, right? So right now, rolling over. Oof. Where's our support here on the NAS? So we are holding the highs right now. That's what we're doing. Okay, holding the highs. If we were to come back into here, oh, man. Yeah. I'm more interested there. Look at that volume, man. That's crazy, eh? So that would be the landing zone, okay? The landing zone. We won't go there. We won't go there. There's a place called the landing zone in Toronto. You can Google it, okay? It's questionable. Questionable. Okay, we're going to look for the same thing in here, okay? This would be our bounce zone. Visually, that's where I see it. Just bumper rails, right? This is bumper rails to help us make better decisions on Bitcoin, right? If we come down into here, we can look for a push back up, right? If we push up into here, we can look for some resistance in here. It's bumper rails. It's nothing like, this isn't perfect. This is just a guideline, okay? This is people are like, man, he drew a box here on the SPY, man, and I should have traded it. Look at the failure to take that higher high in here. That's pretty amazeballs. So we'll see how it goes. Shout out to Alexander G. Holy balls, holy balls. We got 450 people here. You guys are incredible. We'll see what we get here as we proceed to give you what you need. Ooh-wee. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. It's the only thing I actually request of you to do. R.S. Miller's in the chat. Good morning, bro. Good to see you, Django. Best trading metaphor. Let's go. I'll be campaigning for the USA presidency against Putin. Tough race. I'll need everyone's money. Let's go. That's what she said. Alex, no, you are not a rangist. You're handsome. It's cute that you think 2032 there's the USA. Tony Soprano. Good morning, Chris M. No trading day for me today. Flying back to Canada. Have a great day. Have a safe flight, Chris M. Thank you for being here, bro. Thank you for showing up, man. Safe flights, safe travels. Wick jive, weighty swine. You guys are always up to something, man. Orange County. Ramesh, brother, upside down, downside up. Please tell me. OC with the 5 gifted. AlexOCrypto memberships. Let's go, baby. We got Crypto Infinity. I think you've said good morning. We won't call you a lurker this morning, but ACU 5BTC is a lurker. Joshua Lee Mallory, good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Infinite Team TA, let's go. And Clay the Great, man. All three, man. Watch the show. And I think Crypto Infinity, you may be a lurker. Maybe you want to say good morning this because we didn't call you out. Rolly ovary. That's the one. We're getting a rolly ovary right now. Okay. Everyone, please post WPS tonight to help encourage my Razorbacks beat Texas tonight in basketball. I love basketball, man. I love basketball. We're gonna have like a sports event at Bitcoin conference, okay? I'm gonna cross Army Piper up. French Toaster, good morning to you. Should be a poll. What do you put on a hot dog? Mustard, ketchup? We could do that. It's better than everybody saying I should trade what the chat says. Guys, what should we do? Long or short right now? We're gonna put a chat long or short right now. We're gonna pick one lucky winner for the trade. R.S. Miller, my man. Antone, good morning to you. J Violet, ED Camp, good morning. Wick, Crypto Same, my man. Short, long, average. Long, short, long, average. LJ, long. Short. We're getting an SFP right now. I like the SFP. We still got low down here. Schlong. We'll talk about FOMO and losing. You know what I'm going to say about losing? You have to be a good loser. Okay, we lost 3 trades yesterday. Let's see. Randy Hipper in the house. What's going on? Good to see you. God bless you, Randy Hipper. Guys, go subscribe to Randy Hipper. Our beautiful cookie monster. Beautiful cookie monster. You're not a monster. I don't mean to call you a monster. I just think Cookie Monster is awesome. C is for cookie. It's good enough for me. Cookie starts with C. I went there. SFP of the low right now, sweeping. Get the broomsticks out, baby. Sweep and bounce. 886. Cookie starts with C. Shemitris says long. We're going to go long for Shemitris, okay? I'm long. I'm taking a stab for Shemitris. I'm long. I'm not lying. Even come up to the order block here, VWAP. I'm long. For Shemitris. For being a bad namestayer. Okay? Come up to here. Do it for Shemitris. I'm going to lower this a little bit more. Give you a wiggle room. 1-to-1 trade here. We're in trouble, Shemitris. You said long. Uh-oh. Maybe I put too much money on this one. Maybe I put too much money. Gonna get me in trouble here. Gonna get me in trouble. We just want to take it up to here, okay? We're gonna do a little scalp for Shemitris. Can it bounce? Can it bounce? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're gonna get in trouble. I put 90 grand on this. I put 90 grand on this. Demetrius, don't let me down here. Don't make me move my stop loss. We're in a downtrend. We should not have taken this trade, by the way. This is never financial advice. This is utterly fantastic, though. We do it for the... I guess this is an entertainment trade. An entertainment trade. My wife's not going to be happy about this. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Maybe we should have put on less money. What would be the stop loss? That's the problem, right? There's no real invalidation point. We have a double bottom in here. So if we were to get cheeky with it, you gotta follow your rules. So your maximum stop loss is a 0.3 here, $300 loss, right? Gotta be your maximum stop. That'd be your maximum stop. Ugh. I don't know if I like this, Shemitris. I know I offended you. I'm trying to be better. Trying to be the people's channel, you know? Always the people's channel. Doesn't look like we're going to bounce here. Looks very bearish. I walk on a treadmill in front of my PC. Let's go. Not long from here, though, Shemitris. What? The crowd says 52% long as well, so we'll see how this behaves. My God, we're in trouble here. I would prefer the long from here. This does not look good. This does not look good. We're going to be down. We're going to be down a whole bunch of money here. We're down 130 so far. This does not look good. This does not look good. The people's channel. Market cipher looks super bearish. I agree. Rolling over, all rolling over. We have a little bit of hopium if we do bounce out of here, but I don't think there's much hopium, to be honest. This looks rolly ovary, like we said. Rolly ovary. Could someone tell this thing to go up, please? We're in trouble here. We're underwater. Our entry is here. 8 something. Oh my God, we're gonna die. This is not good. I'm kidding. We're fine. We're fine. Come on, bounce, Bitcoin. Push it. We got bullish divergence. We're front running the golden pocket. We got bullish divergence. Let's go. Push it, baby. Positive energy. Everybody, push it for Shemitris. Let's go. Give it the voodoo. Look at the beautiful sunshine coming in here. Oh man, can't wait till I get that Italian skin glow on. Oh man, I'm so pale. Maybe I should just stand. What if we just stood like here and we let the sun over time give me like an Italian marcabuta, okay? Like we just stood here the whole time. Every stream just stream from here. Every stream just stream from here. We'll focus it on the forehead. No? It's not looking good. What do you guys think? Are you guys giving it the good juju? Are we going to push here, baby? Let's go. We don't have good volume here either. Trying to push back on this candle, not, yeah. Decreasing volume, rolling over. This was not a setup. This is not something that we normally take, but we're doing it for the people. The people's channel. You will get wrecked longing, Mr. Dargolas. I agree. Army's hitting the gym. I used to hit the gym. I used to be buff back in the day. I'm still like tradesman strong, but I'm not buff anymore. I don't have show muscles. You ever hear of show muscles? That's what we call them on construction sites. Show muscles. You got like these big ballooned muscles, but they don't do a heck of a lot. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Timmy the Grant. Morning. Good to see you. Slightly longer than average. That's a good place to be, man. Short it and hold it into April Fool's Day. Shamitris, this is looking good. Let's go. Pump it, Shamitris. Let's go. We got to have redemption. 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 Pushing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Let's go. Come on. Push it, baby. You can do it. Full divs. Uh-oh. Honestly, they're taking this off. if it pushes up. We'll see. Should we just close it? I think we should just close it. I think we should just close. We'll see. Long Mavia. We were looking at Mavia yesterday. We gave a couple signals for that. Tamale, good morning to you. Darren. What do you think, Darren? Darren's a great trader. Army's a great trader. What do you think? Shamitris got us in a pickle right now. What's a Jim? I know a guy named Jim. Out. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Jay Violet in the chat. Randy Hipper. Paul says closed. Got a little bit of a doji here. Can I push back? Can I push back? We got a green dot on our 3 minute here. Not that green dots do anything. Don't trade the dots. Please don't trade the dots. If you're trading on Market Cipher, do not trade the dots, okay? There's a trick we teach you in our Discord about the dots. Defiant thinks we might be okay. The might is not good. Don't give me no mites. Don't give me no mites. We just broke the trend line up. Okay, so we're doing this thing here. I see you. You're in on this, man. Uh-oh. There's too much hopium going on for this trade. Can it push back up? We are underwater. Little rejection here. Trying to go. It's trying, man. We got the 1 minute camel toe pattern here. Trying to push it up. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. Market open in 25 minutes. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Hopefully this trade plays out. If you do want some actual trade setup, some good stuff, the goodies, you can come over to our Discord. Not only did I give you guys the trade setup, the trade idea. Okay, here's the trade idea. We came down, so we dropped down here. I said, no trade here, everybody. No trade. We dropped down to here. We bounced back up. Okay, once we bounced back up, okay, then I gave you guys the long setup. So you had the push back up. I got long in here. Okay, so that was the move down, and then you got the rejection from our golden pocket, which we gave in advance as well, and then the long setup from here as well, the buy, the move up, and guess what? That happened too. So beautiful, beautiful. And then we did live streams. We did live trading. We had 3 live streams yesterday. We have Kyle giving you guys setups, TA Brewberry doing live streams, TA CVO doing live streams, TA every single day. Beautiful altcoin setups, HRJ giving you trades, giving you signals. Okay, Tradefly in the chat helping us out as well with the ideas and the trades and the ideas. I mean, you got 5 traders here, all wanting you to succeed. We have an amazing live stream yesterday. You get taught everything I know. You get a whole bunch of live streams. Yesterday, we talked about how to become a profitable trader, trading strategy, risk management, CVO, trading and entries, how to get in, position size, patience, okay? Market cipher beat lessons, confirmations, and reversals. We talked about that today, right? But we spend time on these things. We go into detail with these things, okay? Amazing. Amazing. Trading the narrative, jumping on a trend, okay? Scalp mastery courses, Fibonacci courses, building out that chart that you want to do. It's all here for all our Discord members. So come over and hang out. Join the free section too. We'd love to have you over there. An incredible group of traders helping traders, right? We're all here trading together, okay? That's what you want. You don't want to be surrounded by a bunch of influencers. You want to be surrounded by a bunch of traders. And we try to separate ourselves from the open mouth thumbnail people. That's as far as I'm going to go. Screenshot that. We're almost in profits here. We're almost in profits. We're almost in profits. He's coming through for us, guys. Demetrius, you are on fire. We're pushing, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Do it for the gang. Gang, 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 gang. Are we going to trail the stop loss here, friends, or what? What are we going to do? We're going to close it out. We're going to trail the stop loss, or we're going to close it out? I ain't taking an L now. Oh, no. Oh, no. We're going to pay fees on this, I tell you that much. Break even's more up here, if anything. We'll see how it goes. Famous last words. That's true. 6-minute bull div maybe. Yeah. It's just the momentum's so down right now. Yeah, look at it go. As soon as we're break even, famous last words, right? You're right. Not looking good anymore. You should have shorted that, really. Should have shorted it. Oh, now we're going to take like $100 loss, aren't we? Trading is waiting, but shouldn't have taken this trade. Look at that. Nasty, man. Nasty rejection. Look how hard it worked to get up there, only to get slapped, man. Jeez. Last hope here. My wife's going to be mad at me. She's like, you lost $100 doing what? I'm trading for the gang. You're going to have to start a channel now. Short since 87,300. Nice job. Good job. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Up in here. Great job. This thing's rolling over. Nasty. Thank you, everybody, for being here. A little bit slow this morning. That's fine. Not looking good here. What's the Nas doing? Nas is flat. This looks nasty. This looks like a rollover here. Bitcoin coming down. Stopping us out. All right. Okay, we're back. Still waiting here. Coming into the liquidity of the low here. We'll see how it bounces. Getting a little bit overextended to the downside here, so we'll see if it does want to pop back up. That trade is off the table now. Looking down here, if anything, looking for continuation as well. Failure to make a higher high here. Exhaustion rollover. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. We'll see if it does want to pop back up here off of the liquidity. GDP, man, coming in hot, crushing everybody's hearts. I'd like to see the bounce out of here, though. That would be ideal. If you don't get the bounce, we'll have to wait again, okay? The short was up here. Didn't take it. Retested previous lows. Okay, that's how you get on that trend here. Just wasn't feeling that early of a trade, to be honest. So we'll see how it goes today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. God bless every single one of you. We got 513 people here looking for trades every single morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Okay, it's been a bit of a funny one today, but that's okay. We're in a great mood. Everybody's been crushing it. We were talking about FOMO and dealing with FOMO. So one thing that's going to help you a lot with dealing with your emotions. Okay, how do you become emotionless? Okay, because you're still going to have emotions, but you want to have less of the emotions. Okay, and the number one thing, and you're going to hear this from people, is to have strategy. Okay, strategy. Trading setups, okay? Have a playbook, right? You should know what you're looking for. Like here, what am I looking for when I come into this buy zone, right? I want to take trades at confluence levels. I want to look for certain criteria on price action to allow me to enter a trade. Does it allow me to manage my risk? Does it allow me to have an R multiple that will actually pay me? Okay? These are the things that you're going to have to, you have to take reps, okay? You have to take reps. So you have to understand, okay, price comes into here, it does this thing, and then it does this. Okay, I can get long here, put my stop loss below here, right, in a key level that I'm looking to buy, right? However, I am going against trend, so I might not want to do that, right? So there's all these things that are going to come into play when building a strategy. And you have to go through and you have to back test, okay? How many of you, put a 1 in the chat if you've spent over a week back testing anything? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 2 in the chat if you haven't spent a week back testing. Okay? I want to see. And be honest, I want to see. Maybe we'll do a poll. Okay? How long have you spent back? This is like focused hours too. Okay? 1 day, 1 week. Months, possibly. Rolling over here, coming into our buy zone. Liquidity's being swept as we speak. Okay, here's our low. Always mark out our low so we know where it is in relation to price action. Should have taken the short, right? 48% of you said short though. You guys were wrong. Month, maybe 2 weeks. I've spent about I would say 2 weeks. 2 weeks focused back testing. And I've been trading for over 3 years, so. And some of you haven't done anything. Some of you don't know how to back test. Okay? Coming into the low here, rolling over into market open, Nas flat. We'll assume a gap down for the S&P down into here. See if we can bounce. Okay, into our buy level here. Not sweeping our low just yet. We have our volume level as well down here, so we need to see structure change here, okay? If we're going to take the trade. Or we look for continuation down, okay? Retest our previous lows, continuation down. Okay, that's our short opportunity if we want to take that. And see if that can to bring us lower and slower, okay? Open the stream to get called out. Hugos, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. You're late. I'll forgive you. I'm in a forgiving mood today. I was a bit of a douche canoe yesterday. We all have our days. It was a hard day for me yesterday. You ever invert your charts? All the time, man. Alt I. You got to get off zero, man. What is your people who are at zero or people who haven't done much back testing? What is your struggle? Do you not know how to back test? Albert Rajagukuk. Everybody, Rajagukuk joined the Discord yesterday, guys. Albert Rajagukuk. Welcome to the gang, baby. Welcome to the gang. We have a Albert Rajagukuk in our Discord, guys. Where is he? Let's find Rajagukuk. Mr. Rajagukuk. He joined. I'm trying to find you. He's got a bomb. There he is. Albert Rajagukuk. I just joined. Looking forward to being part of the gang. Let's go. Mr. Rajagukuk in the Discord premium section. Thank you for joining, bro. You made my day this morning. I was like, no way. This guy joined. I love it. I love it, man. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey, bro. God bless you, and thank you for being part of the gang. Awesome. Getting some volatility, volume picking up here at this low. Trying to push back, okay? Maybe coming for some late shorts up in here. Let's see what it does. Sweeping that low, not fully. Okay, we haven't swept this, so... Continuation down right now. A little bit of volatility coming in, guys. So cautious here. It's good. Volume's coming in. Here comes the scam. Wickety wicketies. Patience will prevail. Let's see if we do pop off of here. Still looking for this. We'll see if we get it. Just want to see like to see a good old bounce, right? Want to see the bounce. Coming in here off our volume level. Rolling over. Bitcoin's rolling over. Not looking good. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's 9:20. Can we bounce out of our key level here? No trade just yet. Just waiting. Okay, trading is waiting. We need to be patient here. We want to go off confirmation. This is rolling over. We do not want to get in front of the waterfall, okay? The waterfall will blast you to the past, okay? Hitting our key levels in here, sweeping that low. Can it push back in? That would be the hopium, but we want to go off a higher low, okay? We want to be patient here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. Looking for the potential bounce here. Potential, okay? But right now, the momentum is quite aggressively down. Okay, quite aggressively down. So please trade carefully here. We're way below VWAP, a little bit overextended to the downside. However, everything is looking kind of gross this morning with the GDP numbers coming in, not really looking too great. So we'll see if this is a sweep of the lows before market opens. Okay, nice little pushback here off of our level, but let's wait. Still waiting here. Too much Rajaguk in here. Nice bounce off our. See the volume? I mean, the volume levels, bang, man. The volume levels, especially the red ones. If you know the Discord, you know the red ones are better than the white ones, and there's a reason behind that. But geez Louise, we have taken a loss today for saying Shemitris wrong. Okay, we have. I admit it. I'm guilty. So I paid the price, $300 loss for Shemitris, and we'll continue on our way here. No worries. Coming back in here. Continuation. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. None of you guys took that Shemitris trade, right? None of you guys pressed buy there. Please tell me you guys did not take that trade. You better not. I mean, that was the most joke around here, okay? Okay, rolling over here. I want to jump in the waterfall. Let's go. Down we go, baby. Down we go. Coming all for this liquidity in the lows here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're short. I want to shout you out for being short. I'm always short, so great job, everybody. Spooking everybody before market opens. Could be a longing opportunity here. A little overextended to the downside. Coming back. Key level, bounce, continuation. I don't want to fade this just yet. Look what happened yesterday, right? Continuing to roll over here. Okay. Shout out to those who got in the short. Great work. Great work. Good job on the short. Janner, Alvi, good job as well. Took profits. Nice. Your chart says buy. Yeah, it does. It's so that the Discord members can know exactly what this level is for. French Toaster, Abbas, good morning to you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. No trades so far. 450 people on the live. Little buy up here. Can we get some strengths coming in here? Up to VWAP. Or otherwise, we're coming for the lows in here. We come down to 85.7 if we don't bounce out of here very, very easily. Okay. Coming into market open. We got 5 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Smashing up those like buttons. We got 205 likes in here. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hanging out here every single day means the world to me. No bounce yet, guys. Still rolling over. No trade. This is nasty. Trying to find some sort of support in here. We'll see. There's no trade here. So this is easy. We wait. Maybe we get a candle pattern in here. A sweep, a bounce, and go, right? So there's no trade here. Just a bit of waiting. That's all it is. Not yet. Nasty dump. Okay. Big rollover here. Trades invalidated. Woo! Don't go chasing waterfalls. Rolling, baby. All right. Through our buy level now. We can go and readjust here. Look at the 786. We'll have a glance, I guess. But we don't want to get a 786 is still bouncing right now. I would not be looking at this just yet. Okay. How do we get on this thing? Aggressive dump. Aggressive dump here. Starting the morning. NASDAQ rolling over as well. The SPY we expect to come down. So dumping, baby. Dumping. We all have experts in the chart. I could take the day off. Perfect, man. You guys mean I can retire? No trade here. Nice trade, everybody. Guile, good morning. Good to see you. How does one chase a waterfall? They seem relatively stationary. Agreed, Toaster. Agreed. You don't chase it. You let it just continue to trickle down. Or some are more aggressive than others. All right, there's no trade here. All we do is wait here. If we push back in here, we can look for a continuation trade. The continuation trade is going to come off of order blocks, okay, downtrends here. So we can look for these areas in here for continuation trades. Right now, bouncing off 786. Okay, pushing back up. Coming into market open, we got a minute and a half right now, okay? So big old sweep of the lows here. Coming into our order block here on the way down. Can look for a short here. Cheap trade. I'm going to take a little stab here. Taking a stab, see if this will roll over again. Okay, we're going down. See if we roll over here. Pretty cheap trade. Looking for a continuation. I'm going to take half off here. All right, half is off. Dump it, Bitcoin. Stop loss at entry. Oh, it's coming back right up. Never mind, no stop loss at entry yet. I've taken half off already realized 50 bucks. It's battling here. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. You're going to bounce off 786 on us, are you? Might get V-shape recovered on here. Good momentum. Coming back up here, trying to push. Maybe in trouble here. We're going to come up to this order block possibly. Oh, man. Really? They're going to 786 us like that? That's nasty, man. Dump it. Come on, baby. Looking for a continuation. Market is open, everybody's. S&P opening down. NASDAQ trying to hold on here. Same with Bitcoin. We're in the short. Looking for it to come down. Hitting that resistance level, right? The volume is now resistance. Dump it. Continuation trade here. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Stop loss to entry. Trailing now. Guaranteed 350 on the trade. Okay, I've added. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Coming down to our other liquidity level right now. Beautiful trade, everybody. Very simple order block retest, continuation trade, easy risk management. Full target's going to be 85,800. So let's front run that a little bit. 85,750. Let's go 850. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Continuation. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. Everybody making some money this morning. Trying to push back up in here. Let's see some otters in the chat, baby. We making money every single day. Oh man, good times. Good times. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gang, 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 gang. Little pushback here. This is our buy level in here. Sweeping the lows over here. Great trade, everybody. Continuation trade. Don't fade it. Making money with AlexOCrypto every single day. I see you guys out there. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Making lots of money. I'm going to take another 50% off there. So I'm like 75% out. I still got 30 grand on this trade here. 30 grand on this trade. 500 realized. Okay. We'll see if we come into here. We're sweeping the lows right now. We might be a little bit choppy in here right now. So thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, taking the trades live with you. Demetrius giving us a long setup this morning. You guys making the money though. Let's go, baby. Discord's on fire. Otter Gang's on fire. We short as heck. We teach this trade all the time, man. Load the long now, Alex. Well, we got mitigation of the low right now. Like, why wouldn't they take the low here first and then do something? Look at the volume level. Doing the same thing, man. I mean, this thing, let's face it, this thing here, if we're being honest with ourselves, okay, this thing here can go pretty deep base, okay? This thing can go pretty low. We're just about to crack the lows of the range here, right? Next stop, 85.5, key level. Great trade, everybody. 600 people on the live taking the trade, making money, taking names. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for being with me. Doing it every day, man. I like seeing you guys win. So like, obviously you want to, we get saved by the trend. We didn't take the short yesterday. Like, learn your lesson, right? Learn your lesson. Get into a position where you can manage your risk, right? We didn't take this yesterday. We took this today, right? There was a couple of opportunities earlier. Same thing. Okay, so you would have had the retest of previous highs in here. Okay, we took the order block continuation. There's retest of the previous highs in here. Okay, so there's multiple ways to get into this safely. Okay, I'm not saying this is going to zero. We've paid ourselves $500 from this trade, so we're up $200 today after taking the little silly loss, which is fine. Part of the game, right? Managing risk, taking trades over and over again, right? That's how we roll here. Currently up like 600 on this trade, so we'll see if it wants to continue down. Okay. Is it too late to get into the short? Yes. Nice trade. So the same thing applies. You're creating order blocks on the way down. Okay. So as you roll over here, you will create order blocks. So these are, obviously we have a critical level that we're looking to buy at here. The pink box, as we call it. Okay. But look at this. You got another order block right here. There's your order block. So you put, this is another trade you can look for. If you come back up right here, right, you bounce or whatever, you come back up in here, you can look for the continuation trade down. However, the thing is you want to get on this earlier because we are overextended now. We, depending on however wave count you count this, but you have been corrected, right? So you typically want to get in before you get this, because you don't always get, I guess this would be a 5 wave, right? I'm not an Elliott wave theorist at all, but I understand when you get overextended this way, you typically can come back for a retracement like this rather than this, okay? So just be aware of that. Bitcoin's dying right now, coming into our buy level. Rolling over Bitcoin. 85,700. Bouncing off our beautiful pink box, guys. I'm going to take another 50% off there. Guaranteed 570 now. Taking another 50% off. 570 realized. 100 still on the trade. We still got 15 grand still on the trade, okay? Letting it roll for now. We'll look for the schlong now. Okay? So now let's look for the schlong, baby. We ain't done yet. We still want to make money. Let's go. We ain't done. We hungry. Now we're looking for this in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Let's go. Swing at both sides. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Working for the man every night and day. Let's go. Always got to try to, if Alexandra's G's driving, we got to at least be her radio. I don't have the radio voice, but. Boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, Alexandra G is driving. Don't trade and drive. God bless you. We love you, Alexandra. Great name, by the way. Caveman. Let's go, baby. These kids are mean. Tony Soprano. To the window. To the wall. Load up on the long now, Alex. Thank you, Diziz. I love the financial advice. This is never financial advice. Do your own trading. We got a whole bunch of utterly degenerate people in here. I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Go and do some bloody back testing, please. Please. Okay, here's your steps. Okay? Here's your steps for back testing. We'll see how price reacts down in this level here, but no trade. So 1, identify your gender. Your style. You must identify your style. Okay? Why? Because when I lived in Australia and I worked a full-time job, I could not trade market open. I was also on another time zone. Identify what you want to do. Do you want to come in after work and trade a section and scalp? Do you want to swing trade? Do you want to intraday trade? Okay? Identify what you want to do, right? For me, my whole goal for the last 3 years is to come in 3-4 hours, focus trading, and be done for the day. That's always been my goal. So I did that in Australia. I traded in a London and Asian session in Australia, and I only traded for a couple hours after work every single day. Okay? So you got to identify what the heck you want to do with trading. Do you want to be a swing trader? You're not going to be a scalper, swing trader, intraday trader, macro analysis trader. You're not. You look at Piper, he kills the macro, fundamentals. Look at TradeFly, kills the liquidation. He's patient, he waits, he swing trades, right? You look at Kyle, momentum trader. You look at Brewberry, our Discord people. He's smart money concepts, really, really talented. Doesn't use indicators a heck of a lot, right? You look at CVO, he's got bat wings, swing trades, you name it, it's all there, right? You look at HRJ, he has swing trades, swing signals. You look at myself, scalping, but also can swing trade as well. Like I know how to set up a swing trade. So you have to identify what you want to be. I know I can be what I want to be, right? If you work hard at it. But be focused on what you want to do with trading. Then you can get into backtesting. Once you've identified that, you need to go and find a playbook, which means you got to know what you're looking for going long and short. Are you a continuation trader? Are you a momentum trader? Right? Are you a reversal trader? I'm very much a reversal trader and a range-bound trader. Right? I know how to identify a reversal. I make money off the reversal. Okay? I know how to spot the break-in structure, the continuation. I know how to spot the V-shaped recovery. I know how to get on the trend. Okay? These things will all materialize as you develop more as a trader. But pick one thing and get good at it. Then pick 3, I would say 3, maybe 4 tools to use. Market cipher, chart prime oscillator. Okay, 1 oscillator. Okay, then from your oscillator, support and resistance. Maybe you want to do. Maybe a VWAP. Okay, but add 3. Don't like if I go on my chart prime suite. If I go on here and this is not going to help you be profitable. Okay. This is going to make you cross-eyed. Okay? If you turn on everything on here, look, my computer is going to blow up. You're not going to be able to read a chart that looks like complete and utter scribbles, okay? You're not. Pick 3. Get good at 3. Develop a strategy around 3. Maybe it's an EMA. Maybe it's volume profiles. Maybe it's bullish divergence, bearish divergence, okay? From that, then, and only then, can you start back testing. Okay, you're going to look for where would I get long? What is my risk management? So strategy is going to take time. It's going to take testing. And you're going to have to go through your charts. The best thing to do, in my opinion, and what I always suggest you do, is go on the 1 hour, okay? Go on your 1 hour and do this. Go hit Alt-V, change it to green. So everywhere I put green is where I want to go long, okay? And you go and you study what the heck it looks like to go long in these areas, okay? Okay, then you go through your chart, do the same thing, and turn it red, and go everywhere where I want to go short, right? I want to short here, I want to short here, I want to short here, I want to short, and go and look what it looks like and look at how your indicators that you've picked to be part of your strategy, look at what the hell they look like, okay? And does it fit into your time frame? Does it fit into your strategy? Does it fit in the style of trading you want to be? Because that's where you want to take the trades. So you should learn what it looks like, where you want to take the trades. Might help you, okay? Might help you. So these are the things you're going to have to do. And then you want to go in and zoom in, use your rewind tool. Okay, I want to get short here. Well, what happened at price action back in here, right? You zoom in. I'm still watching the trade on my other screen, by the way, just so, in case you're knowing. But go into your chart here. Go into a 5-minute, right? A 15-minute. And look at what happens in here. Okay, hit a 786. Perfect 786 rejection. Lower lows, break a structure. Okay, so now, before this, what do I have? I have highs. I have a 786 rejection. I have a mitigation of the lows. I have a retest back into maybe the middle of the range. If I use volume profiles, I can be like, oh, this looks like the point of control. Oh, pretty good. Maybe I want to put my short here, right? And put my stop loss above the high, giving a little bit of wiggle room, and target back down to the lows of the range. Okay, there's your trade setup. Okay, then I'm going to press play and see how it plays. And obviously we know it plays, but these are the things you want to do. And you want to see what happens in here and how long you're bloody waiting and what happens here. Oh my God, I'm going to get stopped out. I'm going to get stopped out. Oh my God, I'm going to get stopped out. I'm going to get stopped out. Never mind. I'm going to make $1 million. I'm going to make $1 million. I'm going to make $1 million. Okay, and then You trade the strategy, you manage risk, you make money, okay? And that's what you got to do if you want to be lasting in this game, okay? That's it. Develop yourself, develop your strategy, practice good risk management, pay yourselves. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here, okay? Hopefully that helps you a little bit. We'll continue to teach here. I save most of it for the Discord, but you guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Nice bounce off the pink box, okay? Gonna get stopped out here. Stop loss is at entry. To cover fees too, right? So you put it a little bit in front just to cover fees if I get hit here. Okay? Hey man, no problem. $600 trade, right? I could add here. there's your short right here. There's your short. I'm not looking to add here though. It hit our order block. Here's the trade setup we give a lot in the Discord. Same thing, that continuation trade we just talked about. If you had it set up. Let's see if it plays, right? Let's see if it plays. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you do want to take your trading further and you do want more lessons and more alpha and all that stuff, 5 traders, 6 traders in our Discord. Amazing value. Best value in all of crypto, in my opinion. Signals, trade setups. Kyle's doing some TA right now. You might want to go and check that, but that's not for you guys to see. That's for the members. So guess what he's doing? I can't tell you what Kyle's preparing to do, but he's preparing to do something for all our Discord members. And I don't blame him. I see the same thing he's seeing. Incredible. Sell or buy. What did it say here? Helps big time. Thanks. No problem. Thank you, Jay Violet, for being here. Dusty Hunt, FRVP, baby. Let's go. Alpha, great advice, man. Scott, thank you for being here. Back testing my coin flipping strategy. Night Trader, see? Go through, learn what it looks like. Price action is king. I don't need anything but candles, but I use everything. That's it. That's it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Great trade today, guys and gals. Demetris gave us a beautiful long setup, too, okay? I just want to be a ninja one day. I like scalping. Do love Brew. Yeah, Brewberry's a great trader as well. Great live streams, covers the altcoins, really helps you guys out as well. How did you go about it in Oz as a tradie? I got in on a remedial company as a carpenter, swinging doors, laying floors, framing walls, framing houses in Sydney. So it was a great job. I worked for a company called Ore Group. He actually has, my boss, Brad, he actually has the same birthday as me, man, who hired me. Amazing people. Amazing people. So I work for these guys here, Ore Group. Love these guys, man. That's Brad there. I didn't work on that building. Remedial in here. Maybe I find a picture of me in here. I worked on that house there, that house there. Great company, man. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. I still have my Ore group hoodie. It was good work, man. I enjoyed working for him. He was a great person, hard worker, knowledgeable guy. He was a Pommy, actually. He was a British Pommy. He got his Australian citizenship actually recently, but Are we in a trade? Yeah, I am in the short from up here, but I'm probably gonna get stopped out right now, which is fine. In profits. Stopped out in profits. We took the short from up here. Okay. Took it down, made our money. There we go. Stopped out. Sweep of the low here. You could have bought this up here if you wanted. Okay. Not for me. Great job today, everybody. Nice winner chicken dinner, $571. If you do want to trade alongside us, we do have a bunch of affiliate links down below as well. We have a promo going on Bitunix right now. I trade on there. Really good. Really good, yeah. Great job, everybody. GG's. Let's see some GG's in the chat. You guys are crushing it. Nice bounce off of the low here. Trying to continue. Okay. For me right now, preparing for a long, right? Preparing for the long. As we, I mean, look at that, man. That is nasty. Right off of our beautiful pink box, man. How could they do it to us? Oh, man. Could be looking for a short here. Little patience. How's the Nas doing? Nas got a nice bounce. Okay, that's good. SPY. Gap down, bounced up. Okay, as predicted. Look at that. We should get a crystal ball out today. This is a good bounce for the SPY. Okay, so we can look for something similar here on Bitcoin today, where we're looking for some sort of continuation or mitigation of the low. Okay, no trade yet. Just patience here. We do have our volume level in front of us. If we're zooming out and looking at this, good sweep, man. Really good sweep. Also a very nice bounce, right? So patience right now. Nice bounce up. Okay, if you are in a trade or if you are in the short, make sure you are paying yourselves, right? This price action is full on round trippery. Okay, so be prepared. Be prepared. Nice candle here off the lows. Okay, trying to hold on. Didn't even know. Wasted it all just to watch you. I mean, you could have, I bet you could have just drawn this and it would have hit. No. Those trend lines, man. Some people in their cheeky trend lines. This is a good buy up here. We got a nice 1% buy up here off the sweep. Nice pushback for Bitcoin. Coming back in, V-shaped recovery into our equal highs right now. So there's a potential for a short here. Want to be patient. Take this back down. People be buying this up right now. Order block, order block, order block. So we have a bigger order block up here. So we could consider that a bit higher. Be patient. Look to take this back down to like a golden pocket area. Trading is waiting. 958, everybody. Big recovery here for Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I got in on that low, Andrew Cameron. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, man. Great job. 1% gainer. Lots of fun today. Lots of fun today. Much better stream. Nice winner today. Shamitra, sorry about your long. We made it back. That's all good. It's all good. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Lots of fun today. Great trade. Crushing it as usual. Back on track after yesterday, which is always a good thing to do. Getting back on the horse, making some money, helping everybody be profitable. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'm going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy so you guys can learn about the GDP. But thank you, everybody, for supporting me and supporting the gang. God bless and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay